Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, and wireless module. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the power connector and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the fan. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the front edge of the fan off of the standoffs on the top cover and slide it out from underneath the heatsink. Remove the fan. Replacement. Tow the fan under the heatsink and lower it into position on the standoffs on the top cover. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the fan. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the fan. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board.